Okay, let's go to the elevator. Please see the elevator door. Scrap them. You get 1981. And that there is over 1983. So you put this elevator right here. Your elevator is scrapped. Here's the door right there. Into the elevator. Call the elevator. This one is the elevator. Cool this. Good. You can take this. Okay. Go. You can take it around. No. It's Sandman. Okay. So the big one on the left. So the tile. And let's call this one. Alright, here's the elevator. I'll push this button. Go. Here's Sandman.